In an exclusive segment with India Forums, actress Rajeshri Thakur, known for her role as Avni Trivedi in Zee TV's new show Bas Itna Sa Khwab, takes us through a fascinating journey from real to real. In this video, Rajeshri shares her transformation process from a personal makeup routine to the iconic look of Avni Trivedi. Let's dive into the world of makeup and rituals that brings her role to life. Starting with, can you tell us more about your look in Bas Itna Sa Khwab?
So this is Avni, and new look as in it is जैसे कानपुर की जो महिलाएं हैं तो उनसे मिलता जुलता ये लुक है. ऑब्वियसली साड़ी इज देयर और अभी तो बहुत कुछ बाकी है. खैर सिंदूर आएगा, मांग में लाल चूड़ियाँ भी आएंगी और काफ़ी एक साधारण महिला का ये लुक है. पर साधारण होने के बावजूद वो असाधारण इसके लिए है क्योंकि बहुत सारी जिम्मेदारियां, मुझे लगता है हर महिला असाधारण होती है क्योंकि दिखने में तो वो साधारण लग भी जाए पर जिस तरह का काम वो करती है वो वाकई में असाधारण है.
What preparation went into creating this look for Avni Trivedi?
जो मैंने इस लुक में किया है, आई थिंक दैट इज सिंदूर and lal chudi obviously.
Is there a particular ritual you follow when applying makeup?
I don't use that pencil wala sindoor, but I have incorporated the real sindoor which I wear every day, which gives that authentic look of suhagan.
As Avni, what's your basic ritual when it comes to makeup?
I think for this character, especially for Avni, स्पेशल थिंग आई वुड से इट्स लाइक बहुत ही जो बेसिक है दैट इज स्पेशल. कोई कहाँ पे भी आपको कुछ ज़्यादा कलर्स नहीं दिखेंगे मेकअप में. इट इज़ ऑल सटल एंड बेसिक. दैट इज़ द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ दिस कैरेक्टर्स लुक.
What's your makeup removal ritual after a long day on the set?
I use, first of all, moisturizer is a must. Lots of moisturizer. And above all, I apply sunscreen so that the makeup doesn't affect your skin. And that's how, because every day we are using makeup and every day we are working in front of the lights and dust और ये, so I have to protect my skin. तो उसके लिए मेरा सनस्क्रीन तो होता ही है. एंड बाद में लाइक आफ्टर होम तो बहुत सारा होता है जैसे क्लिनजिंग एंड ऑल, which I do it कितने बजे भी पैकअप हो, I have to do it. So I remove my makeup like twice and then it's like a double cleansing process which I follow, and then after that I have to apply some moisturizer and do some face massage and all, which I have to do every day.
As Avni, is there any specific makeup technique you avoid doing?
Colorful eyeshadow. I try to avoid it. I don't like बहुत सारे colors मुझे eyeshadow में पसंद नहीं है. And the lipstick, which I always go for basic thing, which I deliberately do it. कि मुझे नहीं चाहिए मतलब नहीं चाहिए.
Is there any makeup habit from your character that you have incorporated into your daily life?
Lipstick. I can't live without lipstick. I'm obsessed with lipsticks. Though I don't go overboard or I don't go for flashy colors and all, but lipstick is a must.
In real also.
In real also. Like I have lots of collections. I have, but every time I go and shop for one color only. different companies and different brands, but almost same shades of lipsticks. So I am obsessed with lipsticks. I have like humongous, tremendous collection of lipsticks. Though the color may not vary, in similar shades of lipstick, but in every shade I find something new and different. तो ये बहुत सारा collection है, and I can't live without lipstick. It is a must for me wherever I go. I mean, even if I go, down in the market, I have to carry my pouch.
What tip would you give to the Gen Z who uses makeup daily?
I think too much of makeup doesn't work for Indian skin, I would say. because it depends upon your, you know, the costume and the function wherever you are going, or the reason wherever you are going. So every time and everywhere you can't put makeup and the same makeup everywhere. So I think that has to be टेकन केयर ऑफ, आई वुड से, क्योंकि मैंने देखा है आजकल जेंजीज मॉल में भी पूरा मेकअप करके जाएंगे, मार्केट में भी पूरा मेकअप करके जाएंगे, दैट यू नो दैट डजंट सूट आवर वेदर एंड द इंडियन स्किन टोन. तो मुझे लगता है जो बेसिक है, एंड वी हैव ब्यूटीफुल फीचर्स, इंडियन फीचर्स आर द बेस्ट आई वुड से, और कॉम्प्लेक्शन इनफैक्ट, तो उसके लिए इतना मेकअप की ज़रूरत होती नहीं है. So try to avoid this going overboard with your makeup, and go with the function and go with the climate also. So that's my personal tip to the young generation.
In the past, trends like the bindi and sari look gained popularity, with many people copying and getting inspired by them. What aspects of your new look do you think will inspire them this time?
I think the look itself, the basic, I have already, as I said, that Sindoor is a must for this character, which I have incorporated, and the Mangal Sutra, because Avani's character is not that flashy. She never, I mean, though she likes to get ready and all, but not too much of jewelry, and she will not do that, because she's a housewife. As in, though she's a housewife, she's constantly on her toes. So too much of jewelry, दो हमारे सीरियलों में दिखाते हैं कि सोते टाइम भी बहुत सारी ज्वेलरी पहन के सोते हैं, but I have avoided personally. I was very adamant that she will not wear all these things. Let her be a normal housewife.
Who do you idolize in the industry when it comes to makeup?
I think that's very difficult. I like Kangana, Kangana Ranaut, who goes with the character, and Kareena Kapoor, I think, yeah. Malaika Arora, I love her. I mean, how she does her makeup, and yeah.
Now let's get ready for a quick round of rapid fire with Rajeshri Thakur as she shares her favorite beauty picks. Matte or gloss?
Matte.
Red lipstick or pink lipstick?
Red.
Contouring or strobing?
Contour.
Square nails or round nails?
Square.
BB cream or foundation?
Foundation.
Thick eyebrows or thin eyebrows?
Thick.
Perfume or mist?
Perfume.
Bun or ponytail?
Pony.
No makeup look or festive makeup?
No makeup look.
Lip balm or lip tint?
Lip tint.
Pout or smile?
Smile.
Okay.
Hi, this is Rajshri Thakur, and you're watching India Forums.
Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you.